This is the methods in canning part 12. We are going to lead with methods of determining heat penetration in the can. Means how we will determine the heat penetration. First, the cold spot in the can is determined by fixing the thermocouple in 5 to 6 can at various points along the geometrical axis where the cold spot is likely to occur. Then the cans are filled with required quantity of food as packed in normal processing with thermocouple tips at different positions. The cans are seamed and heat processed and the temperature is noted. The slowest heating rate indicates the cold spot. Means the cold spot is the region where the heating rate is slow. About 6 to 8 cans of same dimension are taken, fixed with thermocouple tips at the predetermined cold spot, filled with product, and then the intended process is given by retorting. The retort and can template are recorded at the convenient interval of time ranging from half to 1 minute for normal product and 2 to 5 minutes for slow heating product. Improvement in heat processing. High temperature short time processing. What is high temperature and short time processing? It has been observed that when the temperature of cold spot reaches sterilization temperature, product near the periphery of the can would have highly overprocessed, especially when the food is processed in large size can. In modern canning method, retention of sensory and nutritional quality is as important as destruction of microorganisms. To achieve this, it is important to minimize the thermal process time by raising the processing temperature. Fish can, which are generally processed to achieve commercial sterility, which translates to about 60 to 80 minutes at 115 degrees Celsius for normal size can. If same thermal process is to be achieved at 100 degrees Celsius, the process time required will be several hours. Now, aseptic packaging is what? Aseptic packaging is traditional method of sterilization. Involves filling the food into its container, which is then hermetically sealed before heat treatment in the retort. This was the high temperature short time processing. Means with the temperature, when there is high temperature, it requires short time processing and method of determination of heat penetration in the can.